Hi guys, I just wanted to give a quick thank you because yesterday I hit 500 subscribers, which is awesome. So thank you very much. Today it's a beautiful sunny day and thought what better place to celebrate with my friends but at the top of my favorite place, the top of the Neville Point Esker. Ooh. Duck under a few things. All right, at the top of the Esker, and I've brought something to celebrate with. Yeah, tiger tail ice cream, Chapman's, my favorite. So here's to all my supporters, my subscribers. 500 subscribers as of yesterday. Woohoo! Thank you, tiger tail ice cream to everyone, and on the top of the Esker. Excellent. I have to admit, I've never had ice cream while squatting in the snow. I thought it'd be a little chilly, but it's fine. Once again, thanks everyone for your support. 500 subscribers, really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Hope you've enjoyed my videos in 2018. Lots more to come next year, 2019, and hopefully we'll have some more ice cream. Stone Mills Family Market in Tamworth, Ontario, best grocery store I can think of, and they always have lots of tiger tail ice cream in stock. Hope you enjoy as much as I do. Joyce signing off from the top of the Esker on Neville Point near Tamworth and Erinsville, Ontario. Thank you. Here's to you guys.